goals. Goals you can do.
What does goal setting mean? Have you ever really wanted to do something, but you had no idea how to actually get it done?
Maybe you wanted to earn higher grades, be better at sports, or learn to play an instrument. Maybe you just wanted to be a better brother or sister or friend. Sometimes we have ideas about what we want to do, but they just seem like impossible, faraway dreams. If you've ever felt that way, don't worry. You're not alone. Goal setting is a way to get where you want to go. Even better, can-do goals are goals that you can do. How do we set can-do goals? Well, there is a certain recipe to cook up a good goal, and the best news is that you can be the chef. But what happens without goal setting? If we don't use goal setting, we don't make a plan for what we want to achieve. Without setting a goal, we don't know how to choose the best things to think, say, or do to make our goal happen. For example, what if we try to make dinner, but we have no plan for what dinner will actually be? We may add all kinds of weird ingredients like red beans, squid, and stinky cheese. These things don't go together at all. This dinner will be really, really, really gross. But how does goal setting help? Goal setting helps us plan how to accomplish what we want. It can help turn our dreams into realities and to motivate us to act. Using can-do goals, we will know exactly what we want to make, how to make it, and even what to do if something goes wrong. We can find and follow a recipe for making a delicious dinner with no stinky cheese. Then we can be proud of what we have created. Wouldn't you like to know how to set goals that you can do? In this unit, you will learn 5 steps to creating your own can-do goals. You will learn to make a clear and easy-to-follow plan so you can reach your goals and be proud of what you accomplish.